30 days from right now, you could have your first Royal Caribbean cruise completely planned and booked. Ship selected, cabin locked in, shore excursions reserved, dining booked. Here's exactly how. I'm Mark from Adventures by K&M. Every Thursday, I give you a step-by-step planning breakdown. No padding, no fluff. Let's go. Ship selected, cabin locked in, shore excursions reserved, dining booked. Here's exactly how. I'm Mark from Adventures by K&M. Every Thursday, I give you a step-by-step planning breakdown. No padding, no fluff. Let's go. First decision, do you want the ship to be the destination or do you want the ports to be the destination? If you want everything rock climbing, Broadway shows, surf simulator, Central Park on the ocean, you want Oasis class. If you want a more classic feel with a strong port focus, Freedom or Voyager class is your call. For first-time Caribbean cruisers, a 7-night Eastern or Western itinerary hitting 3 or 4 ports is the sweet spot. Enough variety without decision fatigue. Here's the number most people miss. The cruise fare is just the beginning. For 2 people on a night sailing budget, gratuities run $18 to $20 per person per day. That's about $260. A drink package, if you'll use it, roughly $75 per person per day pre-cruise. One specialty dinner for $260 to $80. Shore excursions, $100 to $150 per port per couple. Flight to port plus hotel the night before, $400 to $600. Real total for a 7-night Caribbean cruise for 2. $500 to $6,000, depending on cabin and timing. With the right strategy and the right advisor, you can work that number down significantly. Inside cabin, no window. Fine if you're never in the room. Ocean view, porthole, step up. Balcony, this is the game changer. Kim and I have never gone back. Coffee watching the ocean at sunrise, it becomes a ritual. Junior suite gets you balcony plus space. Sky and Star Class suites include concierge and a dedicated genie on select ships. Those perks add enormous value for the right traveler. The best excursions sell out weeks before the sailing. Don't wait until you're on the ship. At Nassau Queen's Staircase is non-negotiable history you can actually feel. Cozumel Chankaneb Park for snorkeling. Labadee floating chair in the ocean lagoon. Book these now. Royal Caribbean's app is genuinely useful and underused. Reserve specialty dining the moment you can. The best time, slots go fast. Set your dining time or opt into My Time Dining for flexibility. Book any shows you want in advance, they fill up. For a 7-night Caribbean cruise, 2 swimsuits minimum, 7 casual day outfits, 2 smart casual dinner outfits, 1 semi-formal for formal nights. Reef Safe SPF 50, buy it before you board. Onboard pricing is painful. Motion sickness patches, even if you've never needed them. Power strip without a surge protector, they will confiscate one with a surge protector. Magnetic hooks for the cabin walls. Small bills for tipping at ports. If you want someone to walk through every one of these steps with you, personally, cabin selection, excursion vetting, dining strategy, timing the booking to maximize value, that's exactly what Kim and I do. Free consultation, link in the description. 30 days. Let's get your cruise booked. I'm Mark.